Aaron, I've got a safety tip for you.
Absolutely. We are ready.
If you're walking through a shop and a lift is not all the way up,
Uh-huh.
you can walk into it and it'll knock you flat on your back.
Sure will.
I have been there.
I have actually seen Aaron do that. You do that all the time.
Uh-huh. Can I tell you talking about hit a rack, right?
Yes, you always do
One
it.
of my funniest stories, and I'm going to mention this real quick. The hardest I've ever laughed in my life, and I'm ashamed for laughing this hard.
Yeah.
But a good friend of mine, I wanted to show him, he's works at a different shop.
Yeah.
Wanted to show him something under a car. He come to visit me, and this was a good many years back, but he walked up, and he hit this rack, and I have never seen somebody hit something and actually watch their eyes cross.
Yep.
But his eyes actually crossed while I was looking at him.
A friend of mine came to see me one time, and he had a perfect circle on his forehead. I said, "What's that from?" He said, "I met dual exhaust." He walked right to the back of a tailpipe.
Oh, no.
Aaron,
Uh-huh.
I don't care if you tell that story. You're talking to him.
Is this Wallace?
Yes.
Wallace, man, you hold the record for making me laugh the most I've ever laughed. You
That's
still
hilarious.
there, Wallace? Your knees buckled a little bit and your eyes crossed, and it was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
And then you told the story. You didn't even know it was him. You told the story
I'm
about
laughing
him to
thinking
him.
about it. I'm starting to laugh again just thinking about it again. It was so funny.
I think that's what's wrong with me now.
Wallace, we're out of time. Man, thank you for helping me to laugh
Thanks for
so
the
much right
laughs.
at the end of a show. It was great. All right, we're out of time with the CNC Auto Show. See you next week.